This is a video presentation of the Haas ST-20. Just going to quick run it through its paces. This does have the USB. It also has a Misc collector that goes on the top. We do have the shipping bracket. We have the foot pads, the coolant tank, and then also this Jorgensen chip conveyor as well that goes with that machine. We'll just kind of take a walk around the back side real quick. We'll verify the serial number on this. We got 3108585, manufactured 8 of 2017. We'll have to open up the inside here. 20 horsepower, vector drive. Machine is in excellent condition, very clean. This concludes the video presentation of the Haas ST-20.